Man, oh man, oh man, oh man. We on the last video of the day, man. Boy. When I sit back and think about it, right? I'm like, damn. I give y'all like weeks worth of content in like a day, bruh. So much content. If I go away for whatever, a few months or whatever, you still gonna have so much content to watch on the channel because it's impossible for you to keep up with 5-6 videos a day. Think about that. 5-6 videos a day is a lot. And got a little shorties hitting me up now. It's Saturday night. I'm trying to get something lined up. You hear me? You know, but man, anyway, man, I know I spent a lot of time on this intro, and I know you really don't care, but it's all right. We got a video from Body Cam Goat, and the title of the video is Starbucks Stalker Refuses to Stay Away from Teen Employee. Man, can't stay away from the kids? That's crazy. Oh no.
This is 42-year-old Louisia Sannon. On May 23rd, 2024, West Palm Beach police responded to a local Starbucks after receiving a report that a known stalker was on scene. The manager tells officers that they have reported the man to police on 4 different occasions. He was seen staring into the store's windows and parking his car next to teen employees for long periods of time, making the entire staff feel extremely uncomfortable. Watch what officers find in his car when he returns to the drive-thru in defiance of his last trespass warning.
All right, so you're saying he's possibly stalking one of the ladies. You just want him trespass pointing property.
Yeah.
All right. I'll go talk to him.
I can't find you on Instagram anywhere. Like, how can I get in contact with you? Like, he's saying just things that are not okay, especially to a minor.
Go make contact with him so I can get those up. Just let him know he's going to be trespassing for the property.
And, like, I'm sorry, like, if he's cool and he's, like, a regular and whatever, but, like, I can't have my employees, like, not feeling safe at work.
No, not at all.
And he just stood there for like 45 minutes just standing there staring at us. Like in front of that white Chevy over there, just staring into here for like 45 minutes until you guys got here.
When was the last time he was here? Are you guys working? Notice?
I can ask Abby, she was here. Let me ask her like.
He was loitering in the parking lot yesterday?
He was in here and then staying in the parking lot, yeah.
Okay. Yeah, we'll trespass warn him. I'll come back in. I'll give you a case card. All right.
All right. So the other officer spoke with the manager, and they want you to trespass off the property.
All right, that's fine.
Okay. I guess I don't know if you said something to one of the staff or whatnot, but in their mind, whatever you said was inappropriate. And they do not want you, they no longer want you on premise, okay?
All right.
That's going to be good for 1 year.
For 1 year?
Yeah, 1 year. If you come back on property, you'll go to jail for trespass after warning. I just got to tell you that, okay?
All right.
All right.
Well, okie doke.
Charlie's 22.
You guys 14?
Yeah, I got his DL number. Yeah, I sure did.
Just 3 days after receiving his trespass notice, he is found back in the drive-thru.
Charlie, Florida units, 1012 with the employee. She advised it's the same male, I guess, that you guys have been dealing with, black male with dreads.
Yeah.
Are you guys taking your time on the order?
Yeah, he's at the window
Okay,
though, so I don't know how much longer I can.
Just slow down the order?
Yeah, we haven't given him anything.
Copy. He's in the drive-thru now. I think they're just kind of prolonging the order so we can make 2-5 with him. Just tell him to slow down the order. Copy.
Will you back on this here?
7 Delta 4. Reference that other calling target. They're calling back. We got 12 of them.
Hi, good morning.
No, I'm just heading back. I'll be there in just a second.
0.
Yeah.
Put your hands out the window. Put your hands out the window.
Let me see your hands now.
Out the window.
West Palm, be advised, he's 0, just stand by.
Center console.
Just keep your hands out the window and just relax.
You're fine. You're fine. Everything's cool. I didn't understand why. Well, between that and the possible drug paraphernalia you got inside.
1033 traffic. Division 2. Reference Starbucks. 27.
Yeah.
Let's get him. Yeah, we got it.
0, but yeah, he's got other paraphernalia in the car too. Come on out.
Do you have any other weapons on you?
What's going on?
Do you have any other weapons on you? Yes. You have any others in the car?
In the car, yeah.
Where?
In the trunk.
In the trunk.
Come on out.
Okay.
Get on your side.
Can't get on this side.
Can't?
Shut the car off. Shut the car off.
One hand, turn the car off. There you go.
Okay. Come out this side since we don't want to damage your car. Climb over this way so you don't damage your car. I don't want you to hit the car door on the wall.
No, you're straight. Come on out. I ain't got no gun on me. I know, I got it. I've got the one gun at least. Come on up, man. You straight?
Yep. Once you get out and we check that you're good, you're good.
Charlie 210-4.
Yeah, you a big dummy, man. Big dummy. They clearly know you, man. Like, and even if that was the case, I mean, it's like, you really stayed there. Like, they prolonged that order for a while because cops don't just show up, you know what I'm saying? So like, they didn't realize it was you until you actually rolled up, and then they had time to call the cops, get the cops over there. So it took a little minute. That's a little bit of a process, and you actually was dumb enough to just stay there. Where they do that at? Like, what? Yeah, man, this guy is, he ain't wrapped too tight.
You're just trying to get me a little comfort, man.
Oh, you don't remember when I told you were trespassing here last week, did you?
Yeah, but
You're back on property now, aren't you?
not like on foot. I mean, I'm just in the drive.
Trespass means trespass. It means not on this property, 0.
Yeah, okay.
That doesn't mean on foot. It means you're not allowed on this property at all. That was explained to you.
He's gonna move the car. Let's open this up so they can get inside.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna sit in the backseat of mine. I think that one's locked.
Yeah. I guess just move your car up a little bit so then drive-through can walk around. You gotta, hold on, he's got a wallet here.
Just pull on them real quick.
Yep. All right. This is your wallet, correct?
I ain't got time. I ain't got time for none of that.
Hey, listen. This is your wallet. The only money you have in here is cash, right? 10, 11, 12, correct?
All right.
All right. It's all on camera. Gonna get back in your wallet.
Go and have a seat.
He's got a CCW.
Sit down and relax right now.
Let's put this back in his pocket. I'm just taking out your ID.
Can you
You can sit sideways.
No. Can you release that a little bit?
That's fine though.
No, that's it.
Yeah.
That's good.
Per photo- per
Punch your foot
photo-
in.
All right, we need to do a inventory of his vehicle because right in the center console there's a little plastic bag that has, cocaine residue on it. If you could collect that, please.
Okay.
Photograph it in place. Collect it.
Opened up the center console to do a inventory. Yeah, that's a lot.
I know they probably hate doing inventory, man. That's a pain in the butt, man, because they got to do inventory for the tow truck to come get it, so that way they don't say something was in there when it wasn't, and writing everything down. That's just such tedious work, man. And they got to do all this because you can't stay away from Starbucks? Really? There's a bunch of different Starbucks, but you want to go to the one where the kid is at. Come on, man. You real life weirdo.
Be careful, it's over there. Hold on. So, the gun that you have is the one that was found in the trunk. The second gun, well, that's the second gun that I found. The first one was the one that we found on him on the initial stop in the center console. Bales took that one off the car, or took it out of the car. He probably still has it. Where the center console was, there was this one that was laying in the console. So this second gun was found in the trunk, in the holster, on the back. Well, if you look at the car, back left side, kind of over the rear tire, inside.
Driver's side rear tire?
Yeah, but inside the trunk. The 2 magazines were found in the glove box.
More drugs, another baggie.
For which one? Oh.
It's a baggie. I don't know where the...
9mm. Obviously the tray that was found in the center. Magazines.
Magazines were found where?
In the glove box. Obviously the tray up from the console was in the console. The 2 little, I guess you call those cocaine vials, the little glass ones I found, those were in the glove box also. The plastic bottle that's full of like actual like loaded powder, center console. And the empty-ish one that has got a little residue on side, that's also center console.
All right.
Oh, just put it right there.
Awesome.
Be careful, bro.
Yep. Turn for me, please. Take the watch off you. Unfold your hands.
Still go with you.
Do you have any other jewelry on you, sir?
No.
No? He's got a belt on you. Want to take it off now? You're going to take it off when you get there.
We'll get
All right, go ahead.
I'll do my best.
Go ahead, have a seat.
Yeah, no. They've got to take it off of you anyway, so. He had some more. I've got the other gun. Let me grab it.
Just put it in here and we'll take it in.
Yes, sir.
I just got them back though. I mean, everything's fine with them.
The guns?
Yeah.
Yeah. They're straight. But let me shut the door, okay? Watch out. Watch your foot.
Foot. I don't know. About to check it right now. No, so I'm going to put this back in the, I'm going to put this in this car.
Yeah, I'll tell you that.
I saw him. All right.
Officers return inside to finalize the trespass with the Starbucks manager.
I don't know what they have for him, but we originally called it in because he was stalking one of our minors.
I was here. I was on a trespass from 3 days ago.
Right.
I was here with Tatum.
For stalking my child.
Yep.
And doing cocaine in my bathrooms. Yeah, he did it in my lobby too. I was like, I don't know if they know.
This is we did a verbal last time. This is a
Written,
so it just needs just print, sign.
Print here?
Yeah.
Sorry, I have a very large last name.
No, that's fine.
Thank you so much for coming so quickly.
I actually didn't think I was going to get here fast enough. I was coming from down the street, so.
Nah, man, you did amazing. Thank you literally so much.
Oh, yeah, he's, you know, he likes to play games. Oh, well, what's going on? It's like, dude, come on. Like,
Yeah.
I'm not on foot. I'm like.
Fine. nothing means.
Right, that's what I told him. I goes, well, that means on property. I told you that last time, so.
Yeah, we said Starbucks property.
Yes.
Do you guys need anything from me? Or just hang out? I'm going to sit over here in case you guys
You can hang out. I don't think we do, only because we got him for the trespass. And then whatever else we have in the car, so.
Perfect. My minor, I don't know if she'll want to do like a restraining order or anything like that. She does.
You don't do that, she'd have to go to the courthouse.
Right, that's what I was asking. Yeah. Okay, perfect.
So, all right.
Awesome. Well, thank you again so much.
Oh, you are so very welcome.
Luigi Sannon was charged with stalking, armed trespassing, possession of a firearm in the commission of a felony, possession of cocaine, and possession of cocaine with intent to sell.
Watch when I get in the mood. No time for the fakes. When you see me, I see you, no FaceTime. Shoot my shot, green beam. 2K shit that get a nigga lean.